Hey guys, remember yesterday how I was considering buying a seat for the R33? Well, I bought one. Alrighty guys, so at the moment we are currently on our way to Caboolture. If you guys remember, we went up here just last week to go to a Tucker garage to go get some bolts for the R33 tail shaft. And we'll probably be going up next week because we have a lot more stuff to pick up for the full entire R33 RB25 rebuild kit. So yeah, going to be doing a fair amount of miles just trying to get this car up to scratch. But today we're going to go pick up a bucket seat. I found this one on Facebook Marketplace a few days ago and sort of been eyeing it off a little bit. It's fairly cheap and comes with R33 rails as well, which was the biggest thing. I really didn't want to have to fork out money for rails or anything or get them shipped or anything because they are expensive. They're like $400 for rails that I've found. They're probably cheaper, but I'm just useless at looking for stuff on the internet. Facebook Marketplace has been like the biggest thing for me. So yeah, anyway, let's go up to Caboolture. Let's grab some seats. Alrighty guys, we have the package. I'll show you guys as soon as we get home. Alright guys, I'm going to show you what I bought. Ooh, yeah. Alrighty guys, so this seat right here I am super stoked about. This is a 100% genuine Bride Lomax fixed back seat. I absolutely love it. I was having so many issues over the past couple of months trying to find an actual proper genuine seat because there is so many fakes out there. And I have seen stuff that happens if you don't have a genuine seat. They're pretty good, but I didn't want to run the risk. Also, these seats are ADI approved, so I can get them mod plated to the car once we get everything else sorted. They're a small size, so it fits me perfectly. Awesome. And they are actually super clean. Like, there is absolutely no rips, no nothing, and all this like Alcantara section here, everything is like not faded. The only thing that has happened is they sort of started to like sag down here. Alright, so the reason that I'm changing the seats out in the R33 mainly is because that I wanted racing seats for drifting and stuff like that, so we don't move around too much. However, these ones here, if you guys can see around the side bolsters here, they are just completely screwed up. It hurts every single time I get in them, and they just got, yeah, they're a little bit how you going. So I'm going to take these seats out right now, and then I'm going to install the brand new one. I'm so stoked. Oh yeah, I completely forgot to add about this seat right here. It already has genuine Bride R33 compatible rails. So it was such a good buy. I love it. And also on the back, it had all these like drift slap stickers, which is actually pretty sick. Originally I was going to take them off, but then some of them are actually like relatable, like hold on, because there's a 50% chance this will work. Probably maybe less. So pretty much sums up my life. I'm kind of just going to leave them there. I reckon it adds a little bit of character. So yeah, let's do that. Alright, so where I've got the seat mounted at the moment really quickly, before I filmed all this I kind of set it up the way I wanted. So the seats are all the way far forward, so they can't move back any further because I'm super short. That way I can sort of slide them back and forward however I like. And then they're also set on the highest possible setting here and on the second most highest setting there. That way, you know, the front's not kicking up too much. I can still reach the pedals and it's sitting up as high as possible. So let's chuck it in and see if it's set up right. It's not far forward enough, and this is as far forward as it's gonna go. Oh no. Rightio, so this seat feels great. It feels absolutely awesome. It fits me perfectly down here, but no, the seat fits great. The only thing I'm having an issue now with is it's not going far forward enough. The seat is literally as far forward as it can go. I feel great, like the height is good, and I feel like that'll be perfect. It's more so just the back and forwards. So like, unfortunately I maxed out forwards at the moment, so what we might have to do, I might have to actually modify the rails and actually weld in a new cross brace, but I can't exactly do that at the moment. I might have to go and take that to when we do the engine with Leprechaun Laboratory. He is a welder, so that'll be fine. I should be able to fab up a different seat bracket, but yeah, it feels great. The seat feels great, so I'm so stoked. I will admit, it does make my interior look so much nicer. Oh man, I'm so stoked. It looks sick. Oh yeah, and one last thing. I didn't even remember it. I'm so stupid. Rightio, Maxi. You gonna jump in? Rightio, man. I have a bit of an issue myself. I don't fit. Can't you? No, I can't reach the pedals. You'll be fine though. It's Brit difficult. You'll be right. What are you doing with that?
Well, mate, was like halfway up my leg.
Oh, mate.
You know, it's funny, I can actually reach the pedals.
I know. You have to move it back. I hate you. I hate you so much. How does it feel though? Feels pretty comfy, eh?
Feels good. But you sit lower now.
What's that?
You sit a bit more lower now.
Yeah, well that's as high as it goes. It's a low max seat and I feel bad. Look at you, you look like a little kid. Aww. Hi little Maxi. I'm keen to get you in this for a time attack session. You keen?
All drifting.
Drifting?
Yeah.
Drifting my ass, you can't drift.
Oh, I'll give it a crack.
Donkey Kong. So yes, a bit unfortunate about that seat rail, but we will be able to get everything sorted eventually. As I said, I know a guy who does welding. This is going to be as easy as putting a plate on the bottom, welding it straight in, and we'll be fine. We'll get that seat sorted, no worries at all. Seatbelt locks in, everything's in. This car's looking immaculate. Now all we have to do, engine out, engine in, mod plate the whole car, and then she is sorted to get registered. I am so keen. Alright, so remember yesterday how I gave you guys an extremely boring video because I said we we're gonna go to Sunshine Coast. Well, tonight we're finally doing it.
Are you filming it?
Yeah.
You can take my camera because it's literally fits in my wallet.
Alright, sounds good. You can take your camera.
Fits in my wallet. Fits in my
Yeah, fits in. Yeah, you're right. Fits in your wallet. So that way I don't have to carry it. So I'm all good. God damn. Show me. Oh my god, you're finally using your purse that I bought you 2 years ago.
Ah, yes.
Apparently.
I'm actually obsessed with it now that I shortened the strap. I didn't realize I could shorten the strap. The strap is shortened. I need perfume, that's what I need.
Are you okay?
No.
Okay.
I had a coffee.
Before we go, you have to try the seat in the R33.
Sounds good.
We're switching back to the old faithful G7. I miss it. I miss the little camera. Look at Maxi. Look at this dude.
All locked?
Look at this dude. Is it locked?
Yep.
Alright, cool. Alright, firstly, Sarah, you gotta try this, man. You gotta try this. I'm not too fat for it. I fit in nice and snug.
I'll put it in better words, too chonky.
Mate, you're the only bloody big chongus here, alright, mate?
Oh, thanks, mate.
Ready, Sarah? Ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Alright, right. Have a look at it. I reckon you'll like it.
Cool.
I know.
Is it a bucket seat? Is that what's called?
It is a bucket seat, yeah.
Oh, it looks even harder.
Yeah, we're Gucci. That's already there. Do you reckon you'll be able to fit in? Do you want me to move it back for you?
No, I already left it.
You're not too chonky.
Oh, there's still a freaking hard side to this side.
That's in my spot, I think. Yeah.
That's not tall.
That's how fun, yeah.
What do you reckon?
Why can't that be like soft?
Why can't it be soft?
That's the first reaction.
Do you want to move your legs around, do you?
No, I just want like not.
You just want to not painful.
That's how race seats are.
What were you saying?
Just hold the door.
What were you saying?
I like that.
The mirror.
That's the first time I've seen the mirror.
Yeah, it's pretty cool, eh? You can see
Yeah.
everything.
So blue.
I know. But like, what's wrong with it? I mean, like, it's hard.
I mean, I'm pretty snug. Like, I feel pretty secure.
You're not supposed to be able to, like,
Wiggle.
yeah.
Do the
You know what fixes that? Out of the way. Problem solved.
Problem solved. Can't hear
It's
it.
in there. And then solve it.
Notice on the interior, the car's making a whining noise, and then as soon as you close the door, it stops.
Stopped, yeah. It's amazing how that happens.
It's incredible, isn't it? You got carpet burn. What do you mean you got carpet burn?
It's not carpet.
Oh, I just got it all stained.
No, you didn't. Where?
You got a bit of Sarah's skin on it now. Dead.
What? Oh, you're all good. Don't worry, we'll get it there.
It's probably, you know, there's probably a lot of dead skin that's on there that you just added.
Oh, yeah.
Ew.
Butt sweat.
Have you cleaned it?
No. What was wrong with it?
That's why I sat in it with dirty clothes.
We're in my car now.
Your car scrapes in the driveway, my car doesn't.
Yeah, it's because you're all too fat.
What?
That was pretty fast for that corner, actually. I need to clean mate.
So, Samra.
Oh my god,
Sandal.
Are you trying to call me Sam?
I miss Samet, okay?
Oh, sorry.
He's over chilling with. I think you're right there, Max.
I'm sorry.
How long did it take you to notice?
Yeah. Well, I mean, he's over there with Rudnick at the moment. Do you know who Rudnick is?
I'm assuming he's in the United States?
Yes, he
When I
is.
saw him like going on a trip, I'm like, oh, is he meeting up with Adam
He is.
as well?
Yes. In like a month's
Are you
time.
jealous?
Yes. Because he just like messages Adam, and then I'm here like fangirling over the fact that he has Adam's number. We're at Sunny Coast. I'm enjoying my iced tea. Oh no! My new jeans! That sucks. So good. Hey guys, what's up? I am so tired. It's currently 12 o'clock, so midnight, and I have not had a good night's sleep in a very long time. I've been like, the last few nights I've been up really late editing and doing all that sort of stuff to make sure you guys get some videos the next day. And yeah, it's been crazy. I think this is the third night in a row that I haven't been able to get to sleep. I couldn't imagine before 3 AM, and I've been waking up super early. So yeah, I hope you guys have really enjoyed the content. I have loved making it for you guys, and I'm gonna go try and get some sleep because I can't even open my eyes right now. So yeah, anyway, I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video. Peace out.